How about the mass communication department? Like, do you have cameras, the resources are there?
Thank you very much because of that question. It's a very good question, in fact, because I will tell you about the mass communication. Mass communication is it is a hot course in the market, yeah. Because you see, first of all, to introduce a mass communication in a school needs a lot of resources. They need cameras, they need lightings, and all the resources that are required. They also the qualified teachers and all that. Of course, we have a challenge because of resources that we have, or maybe but of course, it is fine because we have some cameras. We have managed to buy some cameras. We have like 3 cameras. We have the lightings and all the essentials that are required for a student maybe to take the mass communication and journalism course.
Wow, that's wonderful. And how about the mass communication department? Are there several teachers who teach the different units in mass communication, or is there just one teacher who teaches all the units?
Because now still we are an upcoming department. That is, we have two. Because me myself, first of all, I do assist in the mass communication. That is, and also I have another teacher, or maybe for example, a lecturer who comes, he chips in. Then that is Mr. Anthony. A very competent teacher. He can be able to handle and be able to curb all the requirement that is required in the department. So, so far so fine, we have two trainers in that department, because even the population of the department is we have about 15 students, yeah, and still we are urging much and more, but as time goes by, maybe we can have 2 or 3 if the department grows.
Yeah. Okay. And in the mass communication department, according to my knowledge, the theory is there, yeah, it helps, but we also have the practical, which is of a lot of benefit to the students. Is there practical sessions in your school?
Yeah, as much as the mass communication department is concerned, we also have what you call what you call the field exposure. Yeah, that is what you call the academic outreach. We do expose them to the world. That is maybe the world of communication and the mass communication. That is, we do take them to the studios. We also expose them to, like, because I've just told you that we do take them to what you call the KBC channel 1. They only just have give us and all that, and also we are planning for much. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for telling us a lot about the two departments. And as we close our interview, I'd like to ask you something. When you are out there, when you want to undertake a course, most of the people say that IT is very difficult. It's tricky, it's contradicting, and most of the students are even afraid of undertaking the IT course. Can you talk to those students out there who want to undertake IT, but because of those, I call them myth or misconception, yeah, those stories that IT is difficult, they are afraid of undertaking it. Will you kindly encourage them with some encouragement, yeah, about IT course?
Oh, thank you. For that, I can be able to respond and say that, of course, there is that mentality, of which it is just just a perspective from people who are not, maybe, for example, willing to do something that is technical. But this one is for passion and all that. You see, now doing the mass communication and journalism, or maybe, for example, the ICT, it needs passion. So those people who are willing to do ICT, it is the best thing to do, because of course, as much as you are reading, maybe you can be able to see what you're doing, because you can be able to learn on exactly what you're doing. If it is the computers you are interacting with them, you can be able to know that you know how to use the computers and all that. Maybe even the cameras, you can be able to do that and all that, because it's something that you learn as you're doing. So it is very interesting, and it is full of curiosity and fun and all that. Of course, most of the people, yeah, it is entertaining to have to do something like ICT, or, for example, the mass communication. It is lit. So I would like to tell those people who wish to take what you call the ICT, or, for example, the mass communication and all that. I would like to tell them that it is the best course, or, for example, it is the best choice you can make in your lives. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Muncha. As you have heard, IT course, it's not that difficult as you people take it or have that mentality. So if you want to undertake IT course, kindly don't be afraid to take it. Just come and you will be able to learn. And don't forget to come to Vision, which is the best since it has teachers and also the resources. Welcome to VETI.